Listening to loud music and dancing at the break? Studying in high school isn't what it used to be in childhood. The child's first love is always so cute. Do you remember your first school crush? Share your romantic stories in the comments below this video. Chris, catch that! Love note? Ouch! My brain! That's a classical display of affection in primary school. Now we know it's mutual. In high school, however, courtship is a little bit different shaped. New notification. That's interesting. What? Nick liked my photo? Yay! He's in love with me! We're going to be together! Emily and Nick, I declare you husband and wife. Nick, you can kiss the bride. Yes! We are made for each other! I'm coming to you, my darling! Small children are very afraid to see the dentist. Help! Save me! Someone! But if you think high school students are not afraid to fix their teeth, then just look at Nick. No! Mommy, don't do that! Please! Why? Why? Hello, guys! Being a cat at a party in primary school is not at all like being it in high school. Oh, what a cute little girl! Your costume is amazing! Wow, what a girl! Get away, kiddo! Yes, this is me! Well, a cute little kitten is no match for a tough high school cat. Being small can be very boring sometimes. I'm so sick of this railroad, and playing with cars isn't cool anymore. But when I grow up, my dream will come true. I will buy myself a gamepad. Oh, it's so difficult to be a child. I love you, my dear bed! But adult Nick has no time for games because his whole life consists of study and work. Oh no! Already? It's so difficult to be an adult! If you're an adult, like Emily, you have to choose healthy food. As after all, you already know what is good for your body. Oh, why is all the tastiest food the most harmful? Well, hello, tasteless bush. The burger is so tempting. But when you are small, like Kaya, you can eat whatever you want. Cause you just don't care if this burger is healthy or not. I hate veggies. Who needs this boring broccoli? I have something better. I love burgers. It's so juicy, fatty, and yummy. Getting your clothes dirty when you are a kid is not a problem, as Mom will always take care of her little son. Chris, just look at you. You are all covered with ice cream. You're not going to school like that. Here, change your clothes, now! But when you're an adult, you don't care about dirty clothes at all. Oh no! I overslept again! Wow, what a huge spot! That's nothing. I have one super life hack. Voila! And I'm as good as new again! Skin problems often make life difficult for little girls, and Kaya is no exception. Maybe they want to be friends with me anyway? Rock, paper, scissors! 1, 2, 3! Oh no! Take that! I'll just give it a try. Hey boys! Hello! We don't talk to pimples! But one day, little girls grow up and pimples heal. And then every guy in the class grab the attention of a beautiful classmate. Hey, hello, Kaya. How are you doing? I'm not talking to you. You're missing a lot. Oh, I doubt that. Well, the boys got what they deserved. Wow, is this for me? Thanks. Well, guys, you should have been kinder in primary classes. So, kids, each of you got your task. Get started. And yes, be quiet. I'll be right back. Hee. Josh, catch it! Hey, stop it! In primary school, the teacher enjoys great respect. The children behave just as Mr. Nelson says. But if the teacher left the class in high school, it means only one thing. Complete freedom! Yeah! My subscribers should see this! What is the most precious thing to a primary schoolboy, Chris? That is the candy, of course! I've been dreaming about it all day! But my parents shouldn't find my stash. What else does a small child need to be happy? But high school student Nick already has completely different values and desires. What? This is my dream! I want this car! I want it so much! I need to check my stash. What if I have enough? I hope my parents didn't find it. Not a lot. I can't buy this car with $20. Everything was much easier when I was a child. 2 plus 2 minus 1. Yes, that's right. Finally! Stop. Something is clearly missing here. Exactly! I made a mistake in the calculations again. Oh, I have to do it all from the beginning. Homework in high school looks intimidating, and doing it always takes a lot of time. But high school student Nick doesn't give up so easily. I found it! But Nick can only envy the little Kaya's tasks. Although, at first, they also don't seem that easy to her. Kaya, this is for you! Do it! What? But I don't know how! Wait, and what is this, by the way? Mr. Carter's got to be kidding me! Alright, I'll figure that now. Let's get started. The final touch. The teacher will like my work. Done! Mr. Carter, I did it! Here, look! Good job, Kaya! Any high school student wouldn't mind such homework. Good afternoon, Mr. White. How's my little son doing? Oh, he's such a nice little fellow. Keep it up, Chris. Meeting with the director is joyful for Mr. Radnor, as he can be proud of his son's achievements. But for Mr. Levitt, there's a completely different story. Who's there? Oh, it's you. Nick should study in a reform school. He gets bad marks, he misses classes, he's being rude to teachers. Blah, blah, blah. I'm so scared. I'm asking you to give him another chance. He's gonna change. Thank you for your understanding, Professor. This is your last chance. Hi, Vanessa. Hi, buddy. Oh, wow! You got yourself a tattoo. Yes, this is in honor of my cat, Oliver. It's very nice. Nick got himself a cat tattoo. There's nothing funny. But when you were a little kid, even a simple drawing with a felt tip pen causes a storm of delight among classmates. Claire, look! Chris is drawing himself a tattoo. Girls, check it out! Wow! Chris, you're so cool! Oh, the teacher is coming! Everyone should go in for sports at any age, but the attitude of the school coach towards you in primary school and you in high school is significantly different. Well done, Chris! Here, drink some water. Thank you, Miss Smith. As soon as you get tired, you get to rest. Oh, what a diligent boy! Move your knees! Bummer! Come on! I'm running, Miss Smith? Hey, what's up? Don't relax. Press it. You will never be an athlete. Press, I said. Yes, Nick can only remember his childhood with longing. I want to be a kid again! And who would you like to remain? An adult or a child? Let us know in the comments below this video. Did you like our video? Then like it, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell